Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Life with Laki. I know it's been a while since I've actually recorded a video, but today I want to do something easy since we're all stuck in quarantine. So I decided to do a curly hair routine, but not my usual curly hair routine. I decided to do a wavy look with no heat used at all. It's super simple. I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you guys want to get waves like these, please keep watching. But first, subscribe to my channel. Please give it a thumbs up if you like the video. And stay tuned. Okay guys, so I just hopped out of the shower and I did my regular routine of shampooing and conditioning, and now I'm going to be going in with Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is by far my favorite curly hair product to use. It adds so much moisture to your hair and I just absolutely love it. Okay, so I took a generous amount of this product and I'm gonna literally put this everywhere, from my scalp down to the tips of my hair. I love this product so much because it adds a bunch of moisture, it adds shine to your hair, and it really defines your hair. Even though we're not going for a curly hair tutorial necessarily, it will still add a lot of definition to the waves I'm gonna be showing you guys. Okay, so here I'm just parting my hair right down the middle into two halves, and I'm just going to be smoothing it over right before I add my next product. Okay, so on to the next step. Now I'm going to be adding on one of my favorite gels. It's from Bounce Curl. It's called a light cream gel. The consistency is kind of like a leave-in conditioner mixed with a gel, and it doesn't add the hardness that many other gels do, and it's not super sticky like them either. So this is why I absolutely love it, because it provides the hold but doesn't add that much weight onto your hair. So I'm going to be basically raking this in my hair, and I have to say this gel smells freaking amazing. So again, I'm going to be taking a generous amount of this product, just kind of like I did with the Shea Moisture product I used before this, and I'm going to be raking this in all over my hair. Only this time I'm not going to put that much at the top of my head, just a little bit for some hold, but mainly from the middle down to the very bottom. Okay, so now I'm going to be parting my hair once again, except this time we are going to make two long braids. So braiding is not really my strong suit, so I struggle a little bit, but I still got the hang of it. It doesn't have to look nice, it just has to be secure enough to last overnight. And make sure your braids aren't too tight, because it's not good to tighten wet hair, because at that time it's easier for the hair to break. But you don't want this braid to be super loose either, or it's not going to take the shape of the wave that we want the next morning. So just something that is kind of held together but not too crazy tight where it's uncomfortable. And then you want to leave about like 1.5 to 2 inches of the hair at the bottom of the braid unbraided, because it adds a nice little twist on its own, and I don't really like the wave to go all the way down. I mean, it's up to you, but that's my preference. So I tend to leave about 1.5 to 2 inches unbraided. All right, now it's time to go to sleep, and we're gonna see exactly what it looks like tomorrow morning.
2,000 years later.
All right, guys, it's the next morning and now it's time to unwind the braids. But now you can kind of see the wave-like look in my hair. My hair is still pretty damp. I have a whole lot of hair, so it takes a while for it to dry. But it should take a couple more hours for it to catch its full volume and to really show the true definition. And then right when you take it out of the braids, you kind of want to fluff up your hair. Try not to touch it too much because it's still damp and your hair is still styling as it's drying. Your hair is not fully styled until it gets dry. So you can add some friction when it's wet, which causes frizz. So just try to refrain from too much touching, but you can still kind of play around with it. And now we're gonna go back with that Bounce Curl Gel, and we're just not gonna take that much as we did initially, just a bit to smooth it over our waves. You definitely do not wanna rake your fingers through at this point because that can ruin the curl pattern and cause a bunch of frizz. So just use the praying hands motion and smooth it right over. All right, and now once you're done putting all the gel over, the final product that we're going to use is the Bounce Curl Hairspray. And I love this hairspray because it is alcohol free, so it is not drying to your hair. It adds no flakes to your hair, and it provides a lot of hold. So we are just going to be spraying this all over our hair, and this will just maintain the waves all day long into the following next couple days. Okay, and then we're just gonna wait a couple more hours for our hair to be fully dry, and then I will show you the final look.
6.5 hours later.
All right, guys, this is the final look, and I'm just fluffing up my hair a little bit more because I live for the volume, and this just decrunches anything that possibly could have gotten hard or isn't that soft. And this is just basically breaking the outer cast of your waves, and after that you don't have to do anything. And this style literally lasted me about 3 days, and I thought it looked amazing. I didn't have to refresh my hair or take a shower again. It was just great. I hope you guys enjoyed this take on getting wavy hair with just braids and using absolutely no heat. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See ya.